Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of using a flimsy jack that barely lifts your car, or if you're just looking for a reliable hydraulic car jack, you're in the right place. Today we're going to be reviewing the top 5 best hydraulic car jacks on the market in 2025. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just someone who wants to make sure your next tire change goes smoothly, this video is for you. And stick around until the end for some essential tips on choosing the perfect jack for your vehicle. Before we dive into the reviews, let's quickly talk about what makes a hydraulic car jack different from a regular jack. Hydraulic jacks use a pump mechanism to lift heavy loads, making them much easier and more efficient than traditional mechanical jacks. With the right hydraulic jack, you can lift your car quickly and with minimal effort, a must have tool for any car owner or mechanic. Now, you might be wondering what makes a good hydraulic car jack? Well, we considered a few key factors when selecting these jacks. Lifting capacity. You'll need to choose a jack that can handle your vehicle's weight. Most cars need a 2 to 3 ton jack, but larger vehicles might need a higher capacity. Lift height and range. Can the jack lift your car high enough to get your work done? Some jacks have a higher lift range, which is crucial for trucks or larger vehicles. Portability. If you plan to take your jack with you, it should be compact and easy to carry. Build quality and durability. Look for solid steel construction, especially if you plan on using it often. Safety features. Overload protection is a must to avoid accidents. First up, we have the Jack Boss 3-ton hydraulic floor jack. This is an absolute powerhouse perfect for most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. It offers a 3-ton capacity, making it suitable for heavier vehicles while still being easy to maneuver. One of its standout features is its quick lift technology, which makes lifting your car super efficient with just a few pumps. Plus, the solid steel frame ensures durability even under heavy use. Customers rave about its sturdy construction and smooth operation. Next, let's talk about the Big Red TAT 3006 Touring Hydraulic Trolley Service Floor Jack. This is one of the most popular jacks on the market right now. With its 3-ton capacity, this jack is perfect for both the home garage and professional workshop use. One of the reasons it's so loved is its trolley-style design, making it incredibly stable when lifting. It also features a dual pump system for faster lifting, which means you'll spend less time under your vehicle. Its build quality is top-notch, and it's easy to maneuver thanks to the oversized wheels. If you're looking for a low-profile jack, the DNA Motoring low-profile hydraulic trolley jack is a great choice. This jack has a 2-ton capacity, which makes it ideal for sedans and compact cars. It's super easy to slide under low-clearance vehicles, thanks to its slim profile. Despite its size, it still offers a high lifting range for most standard vehicles, and it's very portable, so you can easily take it with you in case of an emergency. For those who need something heavy duty, we have the AV Steel 3-ton heavy duty hydraulic floor jack. Built with heavy duty steel, this jack is designed for frequent use in professional settings. It's got a solid 3-ton capacity and a wide lifting range, making it a great option for trucks, SUVs, or even RVs. The sturdy frame ensures it can handle tough lifting jobs, and the saddle is designed to keep the car secure while you work. The hydraulic pump is smooth and easy to operate, making the entire lifting process seamless. Finally, if you're on a budget, check out the Tonda Hydraulic Portable 2-ton Floor Jack. This compact and portable jack is a great option for those looking for something reliable without breaking the bank. It's perfect for smaller vehicles, offering a 2-ton capacity. The hydraulic system is simple to use and the small design makes it easy to store in your trunk or garage. While it might not handle heavier vehicles, it's great for most everyday use. So which one should you choose? It all depends on your needs. For everyday use and reliability, the Big Red T83006 is hard to beat. If you need portability or a low-profile jack, the DNA Motoring is a great option. For heavier vehicles, you can't go wrong with the AV Steel heavy-duty jack. And for budget-conscious buyers, the Tonda Hydraulic Portable Jack offers great value. Make sure to consider the weight of your vehicle, how often you'll use the jack, and the space you have available before making a decision. Always check the lifting capacity and range to ensure you get the right fit. That's it for today's review of the top 5 hydraulic car jacks of 2025. I hope this guide helps you find the best jack for your car. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to pick or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out these other videos on car maintenance tools and automotive tips. Stay safe and happy driving.